What's up, guys? KotabearTv back again with another video. So today, guys, I am up in Maine, day one. I'm going to be making videos all through my Maine trip. I think we're riding for 6 or 7 days. So subscribe for all the Maine content coming soon if you haven't. I really appreciate it. The next goal is 5,000 subscribers. You guys have been amazing so far. I really appreciate all the support. But today, I don't know, I think we're going to do some trail riding. We got a group of like 7 of us here right now. Cooter didn't make it yet. He had to go hang out with some other friends, so he'll be there tomorrow. But as you know, I got my Polaris 2021 Matryx Assault 146 with a 2-inch lug. We're gonna probably rip around some trails today, maybe do a little bit off trail riding. And we got a group of 7. We got old 600. We got a bunch of 850s, Skidoos, Polaris, all sorts of stuff. So we're gonna have a fun day today, guys. Stay tuned for some more content, and let's get into the video, boys.
Just went across the lake, got Captain leading, got the big crew behind us. We're ripping in Maine, boys! So excited to be back. They got pretty good snow, like 3-4 feet. So, apparently trails are already pretty bumpy. I know the other side we just came from was super smooth, but I think they didn't get out on this side of the lake last night. Well, I can't wait. We're gonna have some great content for you guys. The Assault, so much fun, the best of both worlds. God, it's good to be back in Maine, boys. She's screaming, bud. Back on some groom trail. Back on cap. Less snow dust in my face. Sending her. It's not bad out though. It's not too cold.
I'm surprised we haven't seen any people.
Yeah.
Everybody's heading home on a Sunday.
That looks side hillable right there. What the fuck you waiting for?
I was gonna do it, but look at, you can see the landmines all over.
Oh, I see it. That's not my problem.
I was so debated to do it when we stopped. I was like, I go up there.
Go all the way down to the end, make a turn, and just come back.
Yeah. Don't tempt me. I'll do it.
Oh, I'd love to see.
All right, Nick, move. Cool area. I don't know what this is, but Jesus, Brian. I don't know what this is, but it's really far up. because they were on top.
A little burp. I'm not going to go fast.
Yeah, you're good. Like I said, the suspensions were set really stiff because I'm a big guy. Don't worry, I'm not going to go very fast.
Oh, no. Letting him ride it's almost as bad as letting me ride it.
Yeah.
It feels like it's 100 pounds lighter than that.
Yeah.
Stop, dude.
Let's try it.
It literally feels that different. Oh,
So you don't hit it.
get out of the way.
So you don't hit it.
Yep.
So what do you think?
Well,
Yeah.
I like. Yeah.
I like them. They're just easy, and this one's wider than yours, so it's not as tiffy.
Right. Just the way a car, you know?
Yeah.
You just put it in there, it just goes.
I know
Yeah.
when I'm behind him riding, he can take the turn sharp faster than I can.
Yeah, oh. Sure.
Yeah, it just digs right in. I love it. Oh my God. I passed cap, hit 100, and hit that fucking lip, and literally just let him like that. Woo! Jeep Wrangler. Look at that, a Jeep Wrangler with a groomer on tracks, bud. Bluebird day, ripping the trails. Sleds handed phenomenal, especially those new 7.5-inch shapers I got on them. Absolutely killing it. Hauling ass through Maine. We're going to, I think, a big mountain right now, trying to get there. See if we can find it. So we stopped and just had lunch on the trail, had some hoagie sandwiches. Now we're headed to see if we can get to the top of this mountain over here. We've already done over 100 and some miles. Crazy day so far. Probably one of the nicest days I've ever rode in. It's like 25 degrees on just bluebird skies. I mean, you can even see the moon way up there in the sky still. Not a single cloud out, which is insane.